Hi, so you've got to be pleased with your performances so far this season.
Yeah, pleased with how I'm playing, enjoying the fact that I am playing, but obviously the most important thing is the results.
Yeah.
Obviously at the minute it's going against us, but we're not a million miles off.
No.
We're here, we're nearly there. But
Keep trying.
Yeah, we want to make sure.
The fans know the effort's there.
Yeah, and we love what the fans are doing. They stick behind us every week, regardless of the results. But yeah, it will click. I'm sure of that.
You got a great goal on Saturday, and I noticed as well all your mates were behind the goal and you ran to them.
Yeah, no, delighted to get. I think that's first Welsh Prem goal.
Right.
49 goals it says on Scorer, so it's taken me.
Okay.
49 games, sorry, so it's taken me a while. But yeah, I was running off, and then I remembered the lads from back home were over there, so I was delighted to celebrate with them.
What's been your highlight of the season so far? I know we have struggled with the results, but what's been your highlight?
Yeah, for me, it's got to be that Penna Bonds game, the first win.
Yeah.
The atmosphere in the change room after that was unbelievable, and obviously that's why we want to experience more, and that's what we know we need to do to be able to experience it. So I'm sure it will click eventually, and we'll be all right.
And also, who's been your toughest opponent this season? So you've been playing centre back mainly. Who's been your toughest opponent?
I'd say the three strikers of Newtown.
Okay.
They were strong, physical, quick, good finishes. Yeah, they were the toughest we faced this year, I think.
Okay, and what's been the biggest difference this year compared to last year, do you think?
I think it's just the fact that we have to perform 100% week in, week out. Obviously against Newtown, we 3-0 down after 15 minutes.
Yeah. And
obviously we had a mountain to climb after that. So we realised, I think it was at that point, really, people realised it's got to be for 90 minutes, 95 minutes, 100% throughout the game. Because if you don't, you've got a mountain to climb straight away.
We came back and matched them though, second half. So that's the thing I think fans can see. It is there, like you said. It's just doing it.
Yeah, it's just doing it on a consistent manner, isn't it? But yeah, like I said, we've got all the trust in the staff and stuff, and we've got faith in ourselves. We know we've got a good enough squad to be all right this season.
That's great. Thanks for your time. Thanks, and good luck on Saturday.
Thank you.